Would you like to develop skills in creative technologies to enhance your work or interests?
Do you work in the York and North Yorkshire region? Whether you're an artist, an advertising professional, or a novice filmmaker or animator,
A digital storyteller, a content creator or a performer,
sign up to attend our free Extending XR workshops and you can learn foundational skills to take advantage of creative digital tools such as game engines, 3D modelers and performance capture technologies.
Hi, I'm Joe.
And I'm Em.
We'll be travelling to venues across York and North Yorkshire to deliver a series of 2-hour workshops focused on the theme of storytelling in a virtual world.
Across each workshop, you'll learn how to combine your creative flair with digital technologies.
You'll learn skills in 3D scanning, animation, motion capture and virtual environment building to take your creative project to the next level.
You can sign up for 1, 2 or all 3 workshops, but we've designed the training so that each workshop builds on the previous session.
We'll provide the equipment and the expertise.
You provide the creativity, so head over to the XR Stories website to find out more and book your place.
And we'll look forward to welcoming you as part of our first Extending XR cohort in 2026.